5 reasons your car battery won't hold a charge. Number 1. The battery is old. Car batteries get old, and when they're old, they stop working as they should. At this point, your car won't charge when jumped, it's died on you. You'll need to get your battery replaced as soon as possible. You can typically tell if your battery is in need of replacement. Corrosion is a good indicator, but if you're confused, don't hesitate to take your car in for full-service battery replacement. Number 2. Your alternator is to blame. If you have a fairly new car battery that won't hold a charge, one thing you might ask yourself is it the alternator or the battery? The alternator charges the battery when the car is running. If you jump the battery and it only remains charged for a little while, that's a positive sign of a faulty alternator. However, it's very important to have your car thoroughly inspected before you replace anything. You don't want to replace your alternator, or even your battery, if that's not actually the reason your battery isn't holding a charge. Number 3. There's a drain on your battery. When too many items pull energy from your battery, that can make it difficult for it to hold a charge. These items can be something simple, like a cigarette lighter or a trunk light, or complex, like a faulty alternator. If there's no obvious reason for why your car battery won't hold a charge, a mechanic can help you find the culprit that's draining your battery. Number 4. A fuse is defective. In some cases, a battery that won't hold charge might be that way because of a defective or blown fuse. A defective fuse causes a different type of battery drain but, once identified, is relatively easy to fix. As you can see, even something very simple can create issues with your battery, another reason why you should try to be certain of the problem before trying to fix it. Number 5. There's too much corrosion. Even if your battery isn't old, corrosion on or around the battery can still be behind why your car battery won't hold a charge. Corrosion prevents the battery from reaching a full charge, so you'll be driving around with a poorly performing battery. You can prevent corrosion with regular maintenance, but if corrosion is already present, then you might want to take it into the repair shop for a thorough evaluation and cleaning. Colony One Auto Center provides diagnostic and battery replacement services including testing equipment and amp capacity, testing electrical draw and starter, testing electrical output, visual inspection, external power source to prevent loss of digital equipment, cleaning battery posts and cable terminals, battery terminal replacement, applying protective coating. Colony One Auto has been providing professional auto repair services to our neighbors in Sugar Land, Stafford, Missouri City, West Houston and nearby areas since 1991. 1131 Dulles Avenue, Stafford, Texas, 77477. Phone 281-501-7336. Website www.colonyoneauto.com.